Good morning, everyone. It is a privilege to be here today to talk about something that is often overlooked but critically important: mental health. Research show that mental health struggles such as depression, anxiety, and stress are rising among students in higher education. And this has profound implications for their academic success, personal development, and overall well-being. Today, I want to talk about the importance of mental health awareness in higher education. Why should we care about mental health on campus? How does mental health affect students' lives, both inside and outside the classroom? And what can we do to create an environment where students can prioritize their mental health well-being and seek help when needed? By raising awareness and creating a culture of support, we can ensure that every student has resources, understanding, and the community they need to success, not just academically, but personally too. First, I'm going to talk about problem and the solutions. First, the growing mental health crisis in higher educations. Second, the stigma around mental health. Third, the impact of mental health on academic performance. Fourth, creating a supportive campus environment. Five, empowering students to prioritize their well-being. Okay, let's talk the first one. The growing mental health crisis in higher education. Research shows that 1 in 3 college students report feeling overwhelmed by anxiety, depression, or stress. This is alarming, especially considering the pressure students face in terms of academic performance, social expectations, and future career perspective. If we don't raise awareness about these issues and provide the necessary resources and support, these struggles can affect students' ability to perform academically, socially, and personally. It can lead to long-term consequences, including burnout, academic failure, and even suicide. That is the worst. Second, the stigma around mental health. Despite the growing recognition of mental health as an essential component of overall well-being, stigma remains a significant barrier to students seeking help. Many students feel ashamed or embarrassment to admit they are struggling, worrying that asking for help will make them appear weak or unable to handle the demands of higher education. This is particularly true in highly competitive environment where there pressure to appear successful, invulnerable, and resilient. Third, the impact of mental health on academic performance. Research has shown that untreated mental health issues are strongly correlated with poor academic outcomes. In fact, mental health problems are one of the leading causes of academic failure and dropout rates in higher education. Fourth, creating a supportive campus environment. Mental health education is equally important. By educating students and faculty about common mental health conditions and how they can affect academic and personal life, we can build an informed campus community that is supportive and understanding. Lastly, empowering students to prioritize their well-being. It is essential to encourage students to prioritize their mental health and well-being. Too often, there is a culture in higher education that places academic achievement above all else, pushing students to sacrifice their feeling, relationships, and personal growth in the pursuit of grades. We must shift this narrative. It is important to remind the students that their well-being just as important as their academic success. In conclusion, mental health awareness in higher education is not just about not just about social, but this is about individual well-being. It's a collective responsibility that affects the academic success, personal growth, and future of all students. By raising awareness, breaking the stigma, providing resources, and fostering a supportive. We must recognize that mental health is an essential part of the educational experience. It's time to make mental health a priority in our colleges and universities. There is no health without mental health by David Sketcher. Thank you for your attention. Bye.